Welcome everybody, that's official. Samsung Galaxy S21 series One UI 4 beta program. It's coming soon. Why is that important? Because the One UI 4 beta program will bring Android 12, okay? There are a lot of videos right now on YouTube, but hey, I was waiting for this official announcement because I don't want to do like clickbait videos, so that's not clickbait. This is not clickbait, it comes really from the Samsung team, who is the admin, the community manager. It's absolutely official. It is on the Samsung forum, right? You can see here Samsung community, phones, Galaxy S21. So guys, this here is the teaser poster. What is actually so important? Alright, we're gonna get the One UI 4 beta program with Android 12. I'm gonna also show you on my phone, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, how you are supposed to register, hopefully to get it, right? When? This is the next question. A lot of people are asking when. We only right now know at this very moment that Samsung are internally testing this, I think in China and also in South Korea. Some information appeared online, but I cannot confirm that's 100% authentic. Hey, it's going to be very soon, hopefully sometime this month, September. Very important next question, okay? After we know what it is, after we know when we get it, then the question is who is going to get it? Samsung out there have a lot of phones, but hey, the Galaxy S21, the Galaxy S21 Plus and the Galaxy S21 Ultra users on Sprint, T-Mobile or boom, drone throwing, yes, Samsung unlock device, because I'm having a Samsung unlock device. How to join? Alright guys, how to join? You need to use a specific Samsung application. The stock one is called Samsung Members, and I'm gonna show you right now on my phone how you can register, okay? This looks very nice. This here is the promotional teaser, guys. Absolutely fantastic. And this, by the way, is the very same picture Samsung are using also in the Samsung Experience Store, and I have some pamphlets. I'm gonna show this to you. So in 3, 2, 1, let's move to the phone. But hey guys, very important, how can you apply, how can you register yourself for the One UI 4 beta with Android 12? It's very easy guys. You need to download Samsung Members. In case you don't have it, go inside the Samsung store, right? Then search for Samsung Members, just install it. I think it's probably 80 to 90% you're gonna have already the Samsung Members application on your phone, but if not, okay, then install it, open it. Now, bear in mind, you're gonna see some banners rotating here, right? And in 80% of the cases, it's going to be some useless marketing information, but some of the things here are really important. Like for example, how can you use the Samsung diagnostic to perform some checks on your phone? And I made videos about this, right? You can check your battery status, the NFC, the SIM card, the power, and etc. But hey, you're not here for this. You're here for that, right? So bear in mind, when you launch the Samsung Members, and today it is, I think, the 3rd of September, so now every day keep starting Samsung Members at the end of the day and before you go to bed, keep looking here for the banner, guys, because a banner like this is going to appear here, and then you have something like boom, register yourself for the One UI 4 beta. And you have to be very quick because you need to understand that the places to get the beta are kind of not endless. So at some point when the program is full, boom, it's gone. So my advice to you guys, download the Samsung Members, right? Make sure to check it in the morning. If you are a fan, check it also during lunchtime and also before you go to bed. Once the banner is here, register yourselves. Once you register yourself, what you need to do, guys, very important, just go into the settings, go here, software update, download and install, and once registered to the beta, you're gonna get here the One UI 4 beta download link. And also another statement I want to make, guys, bear in mind this is gonna be it's a beta software, right? See here, it's called One UI 4 beta. So if you manage to get through the registrations, if you manage to get the beta installed on your phone, then you might have to live with the consequences, right? It's not very easy to go back. Of course there are ways, but hey, it could be buggy, that's what I'm saying. And usually Samsung are going to release a beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 before they really reach to the final product, right? So if you're not a fan of things like this, if you are a fan of the stable Samsung phone, then just stay on the One UI 3.1 or 3.11. But if you are like me, first thing I'm gonna do once I see this banner is, yeah, I'm gonna click like crazy to register myself. So with that said, guys, yeah, please watch for this. If you have liked this video, check my other videos. If you like Android 12, then check my other Android 12 videos, because I covered the Android 12 on my Pixel from the very first developer preview release until the latest beta 3. And please, you guys and your family, stay safe. We're gonna catch up in one of my next episodes. And with that said, VST over and bye.